In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Miro on Mac. By the end, you'll have the desktop app installed and ready to go, with a few helpful tips along the way to make things smooth and straightforward. First, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. Any modern browser like Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work. In the address bar, type miro.com/apps and press enter. This is Miro's official downloads page, so you'll always get the latest, secure version of the app. Once the page loads, scroll until you see the desktop section. You'll notice options for different platforms. Focus on the Mac downloads. You'll see two buttons or links for Mac, one for Apple Silicon and one for Intel. This matters because each chip type uses a different build for the best performance and compatibility. If you're not sure which chip your Mac uses, here's a quick tip. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and choose About this Mac. If it says Apple M1, M2, M3 or newer, that's Apple Silicon. If it says Intel, choose the Intel option on the Miro page. Most Macs from 2020 onward are Apple Silicon, but it's always best to double check. Click the download that matches your chip. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. You'll usually find the file in your downloads folder. In Safari, you can click the download arrow in the top right. In other browsers, look for a downloads icon or check the downloads list. When the download finishes, open the installer. On Mac, this is typically a DMG file. Follow the on-screen instructions. In many cases, you'll see a window asking you to drag the Miro app into your applications folder. If you see a package installer instead, just continue through the prompts. You may be asked for your Mac password to authorize the installation. That's normal for installing trusted apps. If macOS shows a message that the app was downloaded from the internet, choose Open to proceed. After installation completes, you can close the installer window. From here, you can launch Miro from your applications folder or by using Spotlight search. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to the official Miro downloads page, selected the correct Mac version for your chip, downloaded the installer, and followed the on-screen steps to complete the installation. If you ever need to update Miro, the app will typically prompt you, or you can revisit the same page to grab the latest version. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Miro on your Mac.